Dear students, in my previous lectures, I discussed about how to find the values of y and x for both equal and unequal intervals. So like Newton's forward and backward interpolation formula for equal intervals, Newton's divide difference formula for unequal intervals, and Lagrange's formula for both equal and unequal intervals to find both y and x also. So in this lecture also, I am going to discuss few more examples based on the same concept. The first problem is, from the following table, find the number of students who obtained less than 45 marks between 40 and 45 marks. So marks and the number of students they have given. The students who obtaining the 31 students are obtaining the marks between 30 and 40, and 42 students are obtaining the marks between 40 and 50. 51 students are obtaining the marks between 50 and 60. 35 students are obtaining the marks between 60 and 70, and 31 students are obtaining the marks between 70 and 80. The first thing is we have to identify what is x and what is y here. Since here we have to estimate the values of number of students, we can assume the value of y will be taken as the number of students and marks will be taken as an x here. So since here x is not in the proper order, we have to estimate the values of x. So I can take the value of x like this. So the students who scored the marks less than 40 will be 31 students are there. So I'll be taking x naught is equal to 40, y naught is 31, and the marks less than 50 is given by adding the marks of 40 and 50 also, that is 31 and 42. It will be 73 here. Again the marks less than 60, so adding the marks for both 40, 50, 60, it will be 73 plus 51, it will be 124. So now the marks less than 70 will be adding for 40, 50, 60 and 70, so it will be 124 plus 35, it will be 159. So next less than 80 marks, so adding the marks for 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, it will be 159 and 31, it will be 190. So I can take x naught is 40, x1 is 50, x2 is 60, x3 is 70, x4 is 80, y naught is 31, y1 is 73, y2 is 124, y3 is 154, y4 is 190. So now to find the value of f of 45, so this f of 45 is there in the first half of the interval. So I can use here Newton's forward interpolation formula. So now take the difference table first. So x is equal to 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Y is given like 31, 73, 124, 159, 190. So find the first difference, forward difference, 42, 51, 35, 31. So next is second difference, that is 90 minus 60 minus 4. Third difference is minus 25 plus 12, and fourth difference is 37. So now take the formula till the fourth differences. So take the formula first, that is y of x is equal to y naught r delta y naught, r minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught, r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught, r minus 1 r minus 2 r minus 3 by 4 factorial delta cube y naught. So now we have to find the value of r also. So since x is given by 40, x naught is 40, r will be 45 minus 40 by 10, so it will be 0.5, I will get it. So I got the value of f of 45 is 47.86. Approximately I can take 48 students. So after replacing all the values in the formula, I'll be getting the 48 students will be scoring the marks 45. So now to find the number of students between the marks 40 and 45. So it will be given like f of 45 minus f of 40. It will be equal to what? 48 minus 31. It will be 70. So the students, the scoring the marks between 40 and 45 is 17 students here. One more example, using Newton's divide difference formula, find f of 8, f of 15 from the following table. So given data is x is equal to 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. F of x or y is given by 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, 2028. So first let me estimate the divide difference table. It is given like x is equal to 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. Y is given by 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, 2028. The first divide difference is 52, 97, 202, 310, 409. The second difference is 59, 21, 27, 33. The third difference is 1, 1, 1, and the fourth difference is 0, 0, 0. So now make the formula till the delta cube y only. So take the formula now. Y is equal to y naught x minus x naught delta y naught, x minus x naught x minus x1 delta square y naught, plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 delta cube y naught. I want to estimate the value of y at x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 15. So first I am replacing x is equal to 8 and all the data. So on simplifying this, I'll be getting the value f of 8 is equal to 448. Similarly, at x is equal to 15, replace all the data along with x is equal to 15. On simplifying this, I'll be getting the value of f of 15 is 3150. One more example, the following table gives the normal weight of the babies during first 8 months of the life. So age in terms of months they have given, that is 0 2 5 8. Weight in terms of pounds they have given 6 10 12 16. So estimate the weight of the baby at the age of 7 months using Lagrange's interpolation formula. So here we have to estimate the weight. So in the sense we have to choose weight as y and age as x values. So given x0 is equal to 0, x1 is 2, x2 is 5, x3 is 8, y0 is 6, y1 is 10, y2 is 12, y3 is 16. So now take the formula till x3 and y3. So I'm taking formula like this. So in the formula, replace all the data along with x is equal to 7 to find the weight of the baby at the age of 7 months. So after replacing all the data along with x is equal to 7, x0, x1, x2, x3, y0 and y1, y2, y3, on simplifying this, I'll be getting the equation like 3 by 4 minus 35 by 9 plus 28 by 3 plus 70 by 9. On simplifying this further, I'll be getting y is equal to 13.97. Approximately I can take it as 14. So I can conclude that the weight of the baby at the age of 7 months is 14 pounds. Thank you.